Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm starting this channel with discussion of the UGC NET notification for the uh, purpose of like it is a competitive exam basically, which makes you eligible for JRF or applying for as an assistant professor or for PhD admission. This exam conduct in two phases, in two paper. They are paper one and paper two, which like occur on the same day at the same time. Paper 1 consists of research aptitude or teaching aptitude, various general subjects are there. And paper 2 is like a core subject domain questions will come from. And it occurs, exam held in two cycles, in two times in a year, first in June and then in December. So, like December exam application forms are out. You can apply. You can check out the website, start typing UGC NET. You can go to the first site that is showing ugcnet.nda.nic.in. Here you go to the information bar where you can go to information bulletin. You can simply download or just view this PDF for your reference. And this PDF provides complete information about UGC NET test, including its starting and ending date for application form, exam dates, syllabus, where you can get the syllabus, and the procedure for applying filling the form. In the last, you can see it provides like screenshot where the procedure is stated, so no one gets an error while applying for the application form, and you don't have to like visit any site and check whether how to fill the this form. You can get complete information in this bulletin. Let's come to the first page. Here the index is given where you can check on which page you can go to check the basic conditions or the get a knowledge how to apply, how to what is fees, what is like a examination pattern, what is like registration and application process, and how to calculate the result and where you can get the result. All information are given is a nice PDF. You can visit. So from this you can see that starting date of the exam is 7 October to 7 November. You can fill the form up to 7th November. Please keep this in mind that no date extend will be possible. As I checking the pattern when I used to fill the form for this, no date extension has been provided till now. I think so for my in my knowledge, at best of my knowledge, you have to fill the form till 7th November. For the general category, the fees is for 1150. For like OBC category, 600, and for the reservation category, 325 fix is there. There is no like female criteria ki female have to pay the less fees or more fees. Next important thing is you can file any correction for application form in between from 10 November to 12 November. The exam duration will be of 180 minutes, like 3 hours. There is like no criteria that in 1 hour you have to attempt paper one, in 2 hours you have to attempt paper two. There is no like you can switch between paper one and paper two easily. Date and timings will be intimated later. Mainly it will be in the last of the December, possibly, or in January starting. It will occur like it will be like scheduled early only. So be prepared for the exam. Application should be filled only from online mode only. These are the basic conditions that you have to collect. You have to like download admit card and follow all the instructions that are written on admit card, and do not do any unfair means. This is like introduction. This is like the criteria on which the results it's divided. In first category, if you score a good marks and very good, like you can apply, you can achieve, you can eligible for JRF. If you are eligible for JRF, you are also eligible for assistant professor and PhD admission. You can see it like it is a hierarchy. PhD admission is a basic criteria you will fulfill if you score a less marks. Then go for assistant professor, and then the highest is for JRF. The scholarship or the stipend will be provided from UGC only to while you are doing PhD. It's a good amount. You can like apply for this. This is a pattern of the exam where 50 questions come from paper one and 100 questions come from paper two. There is no cutoff in like paper one and paper two that you have to attain this marks from paper one, this marks from paper two. Your total calculation will be calculated. So you have to in attain a very good marks. But in like paper one, you like have to like do something. You cannot like left out the paper one and cannot do like just do paper two and pass the exam. It is not this criteria. You have to like do well in paper one as well. Paper will be in the English version only. There is no negative marking, and each question carries 2 marks. So there are 150 questions. So total marks will be 300. and you have to for minimum eligibility you have to pass up to 40%. After 40% you will be like getting the eligibility for JRF assistant professor based on the normalization, based on the numbers of the student that passed in this exam in December 2025. These are the basic eligibility. The person who are pursuing MTech can also apply for this competitive exam. The condition is only that you have to clear your MTech degree or master's degree, MSc degree in 2 years from the date of your certificate provided by UGC NET. Date of the exam clear. Suppose your exam cleared or the certificate released on 20 June. This is like I'm giving an example, June 2026. So you have to pass your degree till June 2028 or prior. So the certificate will be valid. Yeah. In other case, the certificate will become null and void. So I also get an exam, do an exam in my master's first year. So it is like getting a basic idea how to clear the exam, what is the pattern of the exam. You can do the same if you try to like get an idea how to take an exam, how to like what is the environment for UGC next exam. These are all the basic. The main thing, age limit for JRF. There is an age limit of 30 years for general category. The age relaxation has been provided according to the categories. For assistant professor and PhD admission, there is no upper age limit given by the UGC net. And these are all the seats reservation given. Or you can go through the like all the form to this PDF where the like details that you have to upload it in the while filling the application form are given. Now we'll go to the main and choice of exam center you have to fill. Mainly the exam center that you fill in for preference one has been provided easily, but in the condition is that the main constraint is you should fill the form on the time. If you fill the form in the last, though, so it might be difficult that you will getting your choice two, choice three for the examination. These all are basic. Now the main thing is that how to prepare for an exam that comes to our mind. So first we have to like download the syllabus to get a basic idea. This website is given for downloading the syllabus. You can just simply type UGC NET syllabus, computer science and application for CS. The code for the subject is this, and select the first website that you got and search for computer science. You can download the syllabus in Hindi and English as well. By getting the like downloading the syllabus, you will get around this type of PDF where total number of units are 10. So like we have to find which are the like most important topics we have to cover, what topics we can exclude. If you want to pass just on the nearby, how to solve this, like how to like it's a long syllabus, how can we divide the like syllabus into like easy and hard portion. So from like software engineering, let's go from the last. From artificial intelligence, alpha beta question definitely comes. It's an important question you can give go through. Genetic algorithm is important. uh, you should just go through the like previous year's question papers. If you just go through the previous year, you can get the basic idea how the question has come, how the question will come, or how we have to speak, what are the what are the important topics you can go through. Because in my case I practice a lot of PYQs and I can easily pass the exam by just solving these questions and getting the basic ideas about. I just like decided what are the easy subjects and what are the like maximum scoring subjects I can get. I can also provide the like what weightage each subject will have in the next video, because it will become it will become a long video. From computer networks, yeah, just important topic. TCP IP is very important topic. Network topologies are important. For like you just can't say that gate questions can also come in the net UGC net. Some type of questions will come but not definitely, because gate level is very high in comparison to UGC net. So like you have to go through the basic for UGC net. You have to clear your basics, just not like practice hard questions and you are not able to solve the easy ones. Error and flow control, congestion control, these are the important ones. Theory of computation and compilers are not very much important. You can just go through the main through like languages type 1 type 2, or like push down automata, NDPDA, constant string grammar, Chomsky. You can go through them. Data structures is another is an important topic. B tree, B plus tree. These are all important. This is the important unit you have to cover. In software engineering, COCOMO model is important, and the testing is important. Coupling and cohesion are important topic. SRS may not be that important. Software process model are just not that much important. You just go through the like COCOMO software quality testing part, which are very important topics. Next, system software and operating system. CPU scheduling and deadlocks are just very important. Memory management is an important topic. You they are just easy topics will come. DEC scheduling is important. Database management normalization is first one. Definitely there will be a question from normalization and SQL queries, which is an important topic. Computer graphics, programming in C is important. Computer graphics is like somehow important in calculating the aspect ratio and the midpoint circle algorithm and line drawing algorithm. These are important topics. Rotation and computer system architecture. It is the like toughest subject. You just go through the main points and main question and solve only previous year. If you are just don't have enough time for preparing the exam, as exam is going in next 1 or 2 months, so you can just skip this subject if it is not very important. You don't have to like obtain your marks to the maximum. You can just skip this. Discrete structures is also an hard subject, another hard subject. You can say the graph theory, group theory. These are very like hard, and you can just solve these 2 units previous year question. That is sufficient for your like preparation. If you have any doubts, you can pin down the comment, ask. I can also make a video. I will make a video on like what are the like marking criteria, which unit contain which, how much weightage. And thank you for watching the same. uh, all the best for your preparation.